Hey everybody, Drew here. I get asked all the time from high school graduates, how long will it take me to make $1 million in the market? I don't have a lot of money, but how long is it going to take me? Let's take a little time to see what that looks like. Okay, we're looking at the Excel Trader Investment Goal Calculator, and the purpose of this tool is to give you the ability to put in a goal, your starting age, your ending age, the assumed interest rate, and how often you're going to invest. And then it will calculate for you how much you need to put away on that periodic basis to reach the goal that you've intended. Okay, I've loaded $1 million into the investment goal calculator, made an assumption of 18 years of age is the start time for investing, going to reach 60 years of age, and we're going to earn 15% annualized return on our investment to achieve our goal. And 15%, there's a number of assets out there that will get you there at 15%. That's not off the charts. And we're going to invest on a weekly basis at the beginning of each week. And it turns out, look here, only $7.68 to reach your goal of $1 million within 42 years. That's very achievable for a young person doing work at a convenience store or a fast food shop or a golf course or similar. Now let's make that $2 million. And it effectively, in simple terms, just doubles the amount invested to get to 2 million. So instead of it being just over $7, it's now just over $15 to get to 2 million by that same time frame. Again, very doable. If someone thinks they can do even more than that, let's put in 3 million. So at $23 and change for 42 years, at 15% at the beginning of each week, you're going to make a $3 million goal in that 42-year period. If any of these numbers change, if you can get more than 15% annualized return, it reduces that $23 per week, actually substantially. Let's do that. Let's make it 20. Let's say you could find an investment that would pay 20% average each year for 42 years. It's only $5 a week to get to $3 million. So you see the power of compounding. The message here is get started as early as possible. 18, put as much money away as you can. You may reach your $1 million goal well before the age of 60. Just get at it and stick with it. If you'd like to run more scenarios with the investment goal calculator, you can purchase it on the exceltrader.com website. Gives you a nice returns table as well as visualizations on a chart. I think you'll find this very helpful when you start thinking about how much money you want to put away on the time basis that you're thinking of. Enjoy investing.